Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are well. Um, Try to read something. Hope you all are well. Let's run through today's price action. We have news today at um 10 o'clock. Read for the news, and we had news earlier on at 9. But yeah, we have news at 10. I doubt we'll be able to catch any trades, to be honest, but we'll just see what the market does. But I doubt, honestly speaking. Currently, right now, we have price ended up going above this first fair value gap right over here. Oh, come on, bro. Price ended up going above this first fair value gap. As you guys can see, it left it, but now it's retesting it. Retesting it. So I do think I don't think it's I think it's gonna probably go higher. I genuinely think it's gonna go higher. It's coming back, retesting it, and then go higher, respecting this midpoint. As long as price respects this midpoint or comes to tap it into it, worst case scenario coming back down here. But tapping into this and then going higher, there would be a clean price one to see buys. So that's where my mind is at buys right now. Because I did tell you guys yesterday, I'm only thinking about buys if price goes above that, the daily fair value gap. And then on the 15-minute, we do have this big fair value gap, which I do want to see price inverse. If it is gonna sell, I want to see it inverse. And then if not inverse yet, I probably want to see price come back down here, come back into this. If it's gonna start off with the sell-off, I want to see it come back into this right over here, this big fair value gap, and then respect the upper half of it, probably use this first fair value gap, and then you want to see higher prices. But we do have some nice outside. This is our primary. What is our primary? We have some nice outside there. Yeah, we have some nice outside primary down here. Yeah, let's see what the market has for us at market open. My bias is still low key bias. The bias will look clean, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, let's just see what the market has to do. If not, but in the day we have news, so we could just manipulate them, flip out of it, and then it does not care about the structure and all those type of things. So rather, so yeah, let's just see what happens, and then we'll work off that. Let me see that. Probably yeah. This is our London high. So London high, and then we have the London low right over here, which I think price gonna take out right now. So I'll just mark it. But I do see price sweeping that off. Um, London below, and then make it red, and then bottom. Yeah, as you see, there's that daily midpoint we're talking about. So when I see price, gonna respect that because I know it's consolidating, as you guys can see that. After sweeping out these nice relative equal lows right there, you see that. So you're gonna see maybe do a bit of damage and then see a nice maybe reversal to the upside. It's about to sweep this, bro. This market, bro. So let's see what happens. And then we have 2 minutes until market open. Excuse me. I think I should remove the 17th of June. It's been here long enough. Just have a clean chart. Wait, what? 18, 30th. Delete it. Just have a nice clean chart there. And then you see what happens. So it's around about here. It's around about here. Yeah. Maybe set this low, so that don't matter. Because you guys can see right now we're respecting this one. Got in, got in. Let's see if we're gonna continue going lower into this one. So it's about to be market open in 45, 15 seconds. Yo, let's market open. Let's see when we reach the midpoint before 10 o'clock. Right, this. Ba, ba, ba. Bunch of groups. We have news. Let me see what the news did at 9 o'clock. We had news at 9, which is here with nothing. Prices consolidating. And then we had news at I think 8:30. This is it. That should be it. Nothing crazy as well. 8:15. Yeah, nothing crazy. My is the midpoint. And to be honest, if price can come to the midpoint, I know it's gonna go higher. That's what ideally what I would want to see. It's gonna close the gap. So my buy, yeah. Because I'm looking at off the daily. Let's see that. Let's see that. I'm looking off the daily where prices coming to retest. This value gap, we left it, and it's coming to retest, and it's gonna do the damage. And then we might see higher prices. Worst case scenario is price coming back into this volume imbalance. And you can see a reaction of price bouncing off that in the 15-minute. And we're gonna stay. See, after half of this, let me see higher prices. So my bias for today's bias. I want to see bias today. So now we just wait. We have this first up as well. So we're currently in this. I would mark it, but you guys can see that. Let me show you. This is where we are. We want to say respect this. 16. Mm. I think what right now. I don't know. Yikes. I don't know if I want to count this as that first value gap. It is ish. So for now, we'll do this. And then we're gonna do, let's make it. We have these nice relative equal lows, so price might run out. Can take those out. We still have to wait for that 15-minute candle to close. So we want to see this get inversed. Flip. If we can get above this, I'm buying it, bro. I'm telling you. Let me see how much we'll be risking if we do that. Because currently it's going to use it. Let's see, wants to go lower. We wait, we wait, we wait, we wait, we wait. We gonna wait. We got 5 minutes left. Mm-hmm. See, on this 5 minute one, is respecting that. We want to see it inverse. We want if we inverse this, I'm buying it, bro. We are buying it. Let me write that down so that I stick to that rule. Got that first fair value gap. Oh no, we have that first value gap, and then I want to buy because the daily time frame. So you are respecting this midpoint and then the upper half of this first fair value gap. Just gotta wait for it to go above. Just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient, chat. I'm excited. Like I see it, bro. Okay, it's closing. Okay, it's still closed inside. We want a proper close. You don't do anything premature. We want to wait for the body to close above. And then we're gonna go for the kill because there's still 3 minutes left of this 50-minute candle. So we just gotta wait. We haven't even checked. Oh my days. Whoa, that's a wait. Oh no, it's not. Almost said that's what he versions. We buying? Okay, I bought this. Let me show you guys what I have in my screen record. On the broker, it didn't, but here it did. So let me show you guys long. I entered like here, stop loss below that, and then TP1. I'll probably make it this. Will be my TP1, and then TP2 above. Okay, right now I'm currently in drawdown because of Yeah, but here it generally broke above, but then it went back in. It's fine. TP1, this, TP2, the London high. So that's my trade idea. Let's see what happens. As you guys can see, I'm in the trade, and then yeah, I might get stopped out here. I don't know, but if my stop loss, if I'm right, and my stop loss is clean, we should be on the safe side of life. Let's see what happens. This in the broker is totally different, bro. Let's see if I get stopped out or not. I got stopped out. I lost $26. Oh my god, bro. What the bro. Well, bro, okay, we expected this upper half of this. Oh, my stop was clean though. I got stopped out. As you guys can see. And I think it's about to go, bro. Let me stop the recording there. Let's see when I get another chance to re-enter. Let's see. But I got stopped out there. Bro. Oh wow. I guess I could have been more mindful. I could have put it below these lows. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna risk less. Okay. I'm gonna try again. But I'm risking less this time. So back up in the trade, we back in. Same idea. And then the other one, so we will not be making as much as we wanted to on this one, but yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. So let's see what happens. I'm in this trade. Hopefully, then win the rest of the news. So I re-entered the same trade as it was moving down, so around about here ish. But it was moving down, but I got filled there, as you guys can see. Same stop loss. To be honest, I see my first mistake where I could have waited for this is the first TP where I could have waited for what you call this? I could have waited for the 15-minute candle. I'm not gonna lie, I could have waited for that 15-minute candle to close properly and then enter how I just did now. And then we just got prematurely stopped out there. I'm trying to see the date, bro. Oh, the first. It's the 1st of July. We're about to enter the macro. We have 10 minutes until the news. Oh. Let me stop the recording here for now. You guys saw how we entered, and then we had that first loss of 26, and then if first TP hits, we make some of it back. And then if the second TP hits, we just make $23. And that's it. So yeah, let's watch it play out. And if this all fails, if this one loses, we lose. Um, 24 plus 26, it means we lose $50 today. But bro, if that first TP hits, we at least be good. That much I know. Should have just been a little bit more patient with that first TP. I mean, the 15-minute candle. Wouldn't have gotten. Wait, was it? Which one is it? This. Wouldn't have gotten ripped out like that. Hmm. Having a nice push there. Let's see that first TP get hit. Bum 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 bum. We should touch this, respect this, because we went above it, and then use that potentially to go higher. And just put it like this. Yeah. One stack. We just need the first TP, bro. That's all we need. First TP. Bro, they crazy that I'm gonna get stopped out and not we enter this, bro. It's too clean. Come on, Nazi. Doing a small retracement there. I can delete this. You guys get the gist of this. We're using the midpoint just to have a clear chart. We have news in. We have the news in 6 minutes. Be back into this for value gap. This one. We're gonna see price respected. Damn, that's interesting. 10 stocks. What's going on here? I hope this doesn't give us some ES doesn't see divergence between these two, bro. I think we're waiting for the news, bro. Either we're on the right side, or we're on the wrong side. I don't think we should be scared, chat. We shouldn't be scared, chat. Minute. Um, oh, I'm gonna screen record when the news comes. Doing a nice push right now. There's a minute until the news. To be honest, you just need TP1, bro. If TP1 can get hit, we recover. But it's not about the TP, but obviously I'm just following the same TPs that I've had. Because if I was gonna be greedy, I would have done this, to be honest. Be like, hey man, either we recover, we make everything back. Like I would have done this instead of just making TP1 and then two. Because a part of me wants to do that. Like I want to put everything TP1 London high. At the same time, I have to precautionary. We have news dropping soon. Let me screen record. You guys can see what happens. News drop. See what happens. Bam, bam, bam. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, I can see that. Mm. Ah, so slow, man. Okay, on the broker, we don't have the same close as we do here. I don't know if you guys can see that. See here, it's not the same as on my broker on the funded account. They are the same. It's not the same. Unless he's gonna use this for value gap that we have, tap into that and go higher. But on the brokers are not the same. So let's wait and see. You guys can see that. It just fell short touching that his TP. Yeah, let's see what happens. And yeah, okay, that's a nice close. That's a good close. Like we have there. Mm, mm, mm. Nothing crazy has happened, man. So we're just having a retracement right now. Nothing crazy. I haven't checked the 15 minute. Let me check that. Oh, okay. Yeah, nothing crazy. I thought the news might like do something crazy, bro. But like, yeah, nothing yet. Let me put it like that. No, I'm gonna stop the recording here for now. Nothing exciting. I think to be on the safe side, I'm gonna move my stops to below this value gap right over here. So below that, plus I'm gonna move my stops. Moving a nice push now to the upside. But yeah, I move my stops to six. Yeah, I move my stops to below this value gap right over here. my stops are below that, so we're not risking as much. If my network is bugging, I think something's wrong with my network. Okay, I think there's something wrong with the network. It's not moving. Oh, okay. We back up. We back up. Okay, I move my stops to below this so that we're just risking less. So risky. So we're risking $9 in this trade. We're risking $9. And I'm calm with that. Risking $9. We're risking $9. So if we do lose, it's not gonna hurt that much. So it means we'll lose 35. If we lose in a day, it means we'll have lost 35. Let's see what happens. Waiting for that. Bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum, bum. Come on, Nazzy. My sweet old boy Nasdaq, bro. Bro, he's so close with TP1. He's so close. Also, after the macro, I'm never hop off, and then we just let the other position run and see what happens with that one. I just gave this first TP gets hit. So that matters, car. Moving a slow grind up. It's a feeling. First TP is about to get hit. Let me show you guys. Rewrite that first TP. First TP done. Okay, we calm, and now just let the rest do what they gotta do. So yeah, that's it, boys. We're just gonna let the trade play out. So far, we kind of ish break even. I think. Let me check. $8 in profit. Yeah, we only we kind of break even ish. So yeah, let the day play out, and then we're gonna see. Bam. Yeah, everything let it play out, Chad. I'm gonna leave it as it is, and then we done. 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 I'm, to be honest, disappointed in myself about that first trade, bro. This would have been so that was a mistake, and I should have been more patient about the 15 minutes. Should have been more patient, but it's fine. Charge it to the game. We have a minute left, and then I'm all off, and then that first TP got hit. See you guys in the next. Um, let me see. Let me see. Brother. So I'm gonna let this position run, and then I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. You guys were able to see if this trade played out or not. But for me, I'm done. W day, happy. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. I'm gonna just edit this video, and then yeah.